In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can increase the maximum volume on any Android phone. So this process is pretty straightforward and simple. I'm going to be showing you two methods of how you can do this. So let's just get straight into it. So you want to go to the settings app within your phone. So mine is right over there. So I'm going to tap on settings. Once you're on the settings page, you just want to find the option here that says sound and vibration. So right there, it's near the top of your settings. Tap on sound and vibration, and then you want to tap on the option, here that says volume, and then you'll see all these different sliders that let you toggle the volume up and down. So you can change the volume for your ringtone, your media, your notifications, and system. So let's just say I want to increase the notification volume. All I need to do is drag it all the way to the right, and then that'll boost the volume of my notifications, and you can do that for the ringtone, media, and system. It's the same process, so I'll leave that all the way to the right to increase that volume. Now the second way that you can do this is by downloading a volume boosting app. So go out of the settings, then open up the Google Play Store, then go to apps, then in the search bar you just want to type volume booster and then hit search, and then you'll see all these different volume booster apps. You can pretty much download any one of these that has a high rating. So you can see some of them have like over 10 million downloads, which is good sign. So they're actually good. You can use this one right here, which is a good one. And once you install that, it's going to allow you to boost the volume. Now just keep in mind that you don't want to boost the volume too much because that could damage your speakers. But that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.